Today we are going to do an activity that is called a stethoscope. Have you ever wondered what happens to the heart as we exercise intensely? How does its beating change? A doctor can figure this out by using a tool called a stethoscope. Yes, we are going to make a stethoscope today. For this, we need a small funnel, three pipes, one white tube, and one balloon. So all this material we require in order to make this activity. So in this activity, you will make a stethoscope and use it to measure people's heart rate at the rest and after exercising. So let's start this activity, and I will also explain you the working of this activity later on. So the first step is that we need a white tube. So we have to put these pipes with white tube like this. So it might be a little bit tight, so you have to put like this. And now we have two more pipes, so you have to fix it properly like this. The third one, you have to put it like this. So I have attached all the three pipes with a white tube. Now the next step is that we have to use this small funnel, and we have to put this funnel in this pipe like this. Now the last step is that we have to pull the balloon over the end of the funnel. Be sure the balloon is pulled tight and flat. Let me show you. So you have to put it here like this. Like this. Be sure the balloon is pushed tightly and flat like this. So in this way, our stethoscope is ready. You are probably familiar with how a doctor uses a stethoscope from visits to your own doctor. The doctor puts the stethoscope flat disc. This one is the flat disc on the patient body, and the earpieces. So these two are the earpieces, and the earpieces go into the doctor's ears. So these are the earpieces which goes into the doctor's ears. But how does the stethoscope work? How does it allow the doctor to hear sounds inside the patient's body? This is the main question. Let me tell you how the stethoscope works. The disc and the tube of the stethoscope amplify small sound. So this is the disc of the stethoscope. Amplify means it can increase the small sound, such as the sound of a patient's lungs, heart, and other small sounds within the body, making them sound louder. The amplified sound travel up the stethoscope tube. So this is the stethoscope tube. The amplified sound travels up the stethoscope tube to the earpiece. These are the earpiece. There the doctor listens through. Heartbeat can easily be heard using a good stethoscope. Every time a person's heartbeat, the heart, which is a powerful pump, contract and pushed. So in this way our heart is contract and pushes blood to the body. So in this way you can make your own stethoscope, and you can check the heartbeat of your parents, your brother or your sister with the help of this stethoscope. The most important parts of this stethoscope is that the stethoscope amplify the sound, and then that sound you can hear with the help of these pipes through your ears. So basically this flat surface amplify the sound. That is the most important part in a stethoscope. So now you can make your own stethoscope and use your own stethoscope in your home and check the heartbeat of your brother, sister or your parents, and enjoy this activity. Thank you.